How to get dark mode on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can get dark mode on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to get dark mode on TikTok, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the TikTok application here. Once you launch the TikTok app, if I come to my profile page, you can currently see that I'm on the lighter theme. Now, what if I want to switch to a darker theme? Well, if I want to switch to a darker theme, what I need to do is I need to tap the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen. After that, I need to go to settings and privacy. Then once I come to settings and privacy, if I scroll under content and display, you will find the option called display, so tap on it. Now remember that dark mode option is currently only available for iPhone users. Unfortunately, if you're an Android user right now, you will not be able to go ahead and then actually switch to dark theme. So just go to this display tab, select the dark theme, and now you can see the TikTok app has been successfully switched to a darker theme. If you want to revert it back, go to the display tab and then just go to the light theme option. This way you'll be able to get dark mode on TikTok. Hope this video is very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in the next video.